Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Sparkle, and today we're going to learn about the letter N and what sound it makes. This is the letter N, and N sounds like mm. Can you do that with me? Put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and go mm. So we have a nest and a nut and a nail, and lastly a needle. Say those with me again. Ready? Nest, nut, nail, needle. Okay, guess what I have? A mystery box. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the mystery box? Sing it with me. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the mystery box? Oh, I think things that start with the letter N are in here. What do you think? Okay, let's open it up. Let's find our mystery items. Okay. Oh, first we have a newspaper. Now, I don't know if you get a newspaper at your house, but you probably know what a newspaper looks like. A lot of people nowadays just get Sunday newspapers. So that's a newspaper. Newspaper. What do we have here? What's this? Notebook. A notebook. And we have a, what's that? A nose. Do I look silly? That's a nose. And we have, oh, this looks like I could catch a butterfly with it. What is that? A net. A net. And we have, oh, how sweet, a nest. Maybe we would find bird eggs in a nest. A nest. And I have, ooh, what's this? A necklace to go around your neck. Oh, and we have a couple necklaces. That's a necklace that we could just, well, if you were tiny or maybe a Barbie, put on a necklace. And there's even one more necklace, a little bitty tiny one. That'd be so cute on a Barbie, wouldn't it? So we have necklaces, and lastly we have our capital N and our lowercase n. What does that sound like? Okay, we're done with our mystery items. So if you want to do the activity with me, make sure that you hit the more button, and then you can print off the activity and do it with me. Okay, let's look at our items here. We have an umbrella, a nurse, a nose. See how it's pointing there? Nose. A turkey, a needle, and a vest. Let's find the ones that say at the beginning. Does umbrella say at the beginning? Umbrella. No, it says So we're going to X it out. What about nurse? Nurse, does that? Yes, it does. So we're going to color our nurse. I'm going to make her hat red, and the cross I'm going to say white. And then her top I'm going to make red too. And I'm going to make her look like me. So I'm going to make her have kind of blondish hair and kind of peachy color skin. I want you to make your nurse like you. Okay. And then we have what about a nose? Nose. Does that say Yes, it does. So color your person just like you. Make it look like you. Nose. Nose. Or maybe you make it like a friend. Nose. We have a turkey. What about turkey? Does that say at the beginning? Nope. X it out. What about needle? Needle. Yes. So let's color the needle. Do you want to get pricked by a needle? I know, that would hurt. What about vest? Does it say n? Nope. X it out. Okay. Next, we're going to cut out only the items that start with the letter or the sound Remember when we're cutting, big on the bottom, little on the top. 2 fingers down, thumbs up, elbow out. I'm going to cut the nurse and the nose. Cut them apart. There we go. That's a little trash. And then my needle. Okay. And what do we have to do? Make sure we cut this straight across. Straight across, because we're going to save that piece. Go. Then I'm going to cut out the rest of the headband. There we go. And there's my trash that I don't need. And I'm going to color my N. I'm going to use green. I'm going to use 3 colors. Green and purple. And light blue. Boys and girls, I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends. Okay, so we have this, and then we need to glue on our pieces. And I'm gonna make it a secret, so we're gonna make how big a dots? Teeny, teeny, tiny. Teeny, tiny pieces, dots of glue. Tiny, tiny, tiny. If we do tiny ones, then it doesn't make a big mess. So we're gonna put our nurse and our nose, our needle. And then if you want to make the headband, we're going to put 2 tiny secret dots of glue. Let me glue that on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go under, that's the hard part. Glue that on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. And if it's good to go with no glue is glopping, it's time to put your headband on and have your N headband. I've had so much fun learning about the sound that the N makes. What does N sound like? N sounds like Until I see you again next time, boys and girls. Peace, love, sparkles.